Hi, excuse me. Is this seat taken?
Oh no, go ahead.
Thanks. It's kind of busy in here today.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be this packed. I just came here to read for a bit.
Oh, what are you reading?
It's a novel by Paulo Coelho. Have you read anything by him?
Oh, The Alchemist. Right? That's a great book.
Exactly. It's one of my favorites.
Nice. I'm more into nonfiction, but I do enjoy a good story every now and then.
That's cool. What kind of nonfiction do you read?
Mostly travel and photography books. I love exploring new places.
Oh, you're into photography. That's awesome. Do you do it professionally?
Yeah, I do. Mostly portraits and travel photography. I love capturing moments and stories.
That's amazing. I've always admired photographers. There's something magical about freezing a moment in time.
Exactly. It's like telling a story without words. What about you? What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I work freelance, so I can set my own schedule.
That sounds great. Do you design websites, logos, or something else?
A bit of everything, but I really enjoy branding and illustration.
That's really creative. I bet you'd be great at designing book covers too.
That would be a dream job. Maybe one day.
So, are you new in town?
Yeah, I just moved here a few weeks ago. Still trying to find my way around.
Welcome. Moving can be overwhelming at first, but it's also exciting.
Yeah, it's a mix of both. I miss home, but I'm excited for a fresh start.
Where did you move from?
Chicago, big city, fast life. This place feels so different.
I can imagine. I visited Chicago once. Great food and energy.
Yes, I miss the deep dish pizza. Do you like pizza?
Who doesn't? I could eat pizza every day.
Same. Okay, what's your favorite topping?
Classic pepperoni. But I also love BBQ chicken. You?
Margarita. Simple and perfect.
Have you had a chance to explore the city yet?
A little, but I still don't know many places.
I know some great spots. There's this little Italian restaurant downtown. Amazing pasta.
That sounds great. I'd love to try it.
Maybe we could go together sometime.
I'd like that.
Awesome. Oh, and if you're into nature, there's a beautiful hiking trail nearby. The view at sunset is incredible.
That sounds perfect. I love nature.
Cool. I'll send you the location.
I'm really glad we met. It's nice talking to someone in a new city.
Same here. Good conversations are rare these days.
Yeah, everything is so fast-paced. It's refreshing to just sit and talk.
Agreed. So, should we exchange numbers?
Sure. That way we can plan that pizza night and hike.
Great. Well, I won't keep you from your book.
No worries. I enjoyed this.
Me too. See you soon, Emma.
See you soon, Jake.